Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to GNANGSTUDIO 4D. How to install Samsung Galaxy Note 8 ROM on your Samsung Galaxy Note 3? Follow me. Firstly, subscribe under this video, like this video. Secondly, download this ROM under this video. It is free for you. Now, let me to show you the review before of this new ROM, and after I will install this with you. I want to see this. Let's go! Follow me. Hello! What is this? This is my phone by Samsung Galaxy Note 3. Let me to show you right now my S Pen. Thank you. Look at this. This is the ROM that I want to show you how to install this. Look at, you can write into something beautiful, wonderful. Okay, delete. Welcome. Look at this. What is this beautiful ROM for you? Wow. Look at. Thank you. Wow, beautiful. To this. Look at this. Wow, it's so nice. What do you think? Okay, look at, this is the review of this ROM. Beautiful. S Pen. Look at. Wonderful. So nice. Look at the wallpaper. Look at, do this. Breathing into. Another one. Thank you. Do this. Look at. This is my phone. Look at, sitting. Wow, not bad. Look at this. Beautiful. Look at this. So wonderful. So beautiful. Okay. Settings. Look at about device. Thank you. Look at this. Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Thank you. Now let's go to see the camera. The camera into is a new feature. Yeah, let me zoom. Double click here. Look at here on button. Let me to zoom. Oh, let me to zoom. Thank you. Double click here. 1 2. Again 1 2 to access to the camera. Double click again to access to the frontal camera. Look at. Hello. Look at me. Hello. Sitting. Wonderful. Beautiful. Look at this. Beautiful. Full HD. Well done. Go home. Double click. Well done. Okay. Yeah, now you are ready to install this ROM on your phone. Okay, download this ROM and copy this ROM on your phone directly. Let me to show you this ROM, my files, my device, and this ROM is here. This is MAGMA, and it's ROM here. Okay, cancel. Thank you. Now, make sure that you have charged your phone, your mobile. If your phone is charged, let's go now to install this ROM with your beautiful TWRP. Okay, make sure also that you have installed TWRP. And let's go now. Turn off your phone, power off. Before, look at, there are beautiful health panel into. Look at, there are many features. There are also all of these always on display into. Okay, let's go to install this, and we go. Turn off. Connect your charger to your connect your charger. Make sure that your phone is charged. Look at, thank you. Now hold free touch home button. Yeah, hold home button. Volume up here. Okay. Second, and power button to access the TWRP that you have installed. If you are not installed this, follow on YouTube 1, 2, 3, 4. Let this follow search on YouTube how to install this on your phone, or go on my YouTube channel to see this. Wait a few seconds to access to TWRP. If it's done, if you have not access to TWRP, retry the same action. Okay, retry the same action. As you see, you can retry the same action to try to access to TWRP, please, again. Okay, wait a few minutes. This is the boot of this ROM. Android starting. Wait a few minutes. After this, I will reboot for my phone again for you. Welcome. Okay. Power off. Again. Power off, please. Thank you. Thank you. Wait a few seconds again. Okay. Disconnect the USB your charger before. If you enter to TWRP, connect your charger. Okay. Hold free touch on button, volume up and power button in the same time. Hold 1, 2, 3. Like this. Wait again to see if it's done. The same. Okay, we try the same action. Disconnect now your charger, your USB. Remove your battery to access to TWRP. Okay, thank you. Same action. Let's go. 1, 2, volume up and power button. Wait a few seconds. Wait again. 1, 2, 3. It's done. God bless you. Welcome. Now connect your charger as in and follow me to install this. Okay, do this. Whip. Okay, go back. Whip. After whip, advanced whip here. Oh, excuse me. Okay. the S pen is so powerful. Home. Follow me. Whip. Advanced whip. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Don't select this. Don't select internal storage before you have because you have copy this ROM into. Do this. Okay, welcome. After this, click on home here. After install, and now select your ROM. Okay, the ROM that you have copy into. This is a MAGMA NX ROM. Do this and do this again. Welcome on NX team. Yeah. Here you can configure your ROM. Okay, the feature on your ROM, resetting all your ROM. Okay, let's go. Click on next. Again. Let's go. Here you can select the application that you want to install on your phone. Okay. Next. Thank you. Next again. again. You can choose the camera that you need to install on your phone directly here. After next again. Okay, next again. Here, I recommend you to select this Magic V, okay, stable, okay, and click on next. Full width, next, install. Okay, make sure that you have connected your charger, okay, and wait a few seconds for finishing. Look at here, you can see the progression directly here. The progression here. Almost finished. Wait again a few seconds. Okay, it's done. Now, click on next. After this, your phone will reboot many times. It's normal. Reboot your device now. Click on next. Wait again a few seconds. Welcome. Wait a few seconds. When you see Samsung, the installation of your ROM started. Okay, wait a few seconds. Look at the LED here and look at Samsung. Now the installation of this ROM started. Wait a few seconds for the finishing. After this, configure your ROM, your system, and yellow is done. Wait a few seconds if you want, and let's go. Almost finished. Wait a few seconds. Almost finished. Have you seen this LED disappear? Wait again. Thank you. It's done. Now you can configure your phone and access to your beautiful Note 8 ROM. Yeah. Are you ready to do this? Thank you. Okay, let's go. Start. Enable. Connect to the internet. Or after, let me to do this after. Next, let me to zoom right now. Thank you. Next, agree. Okay, next. Thank you. Next again. Let me to go. Okay, wait a few seconds, Thank you. Here you can enter your Samsung account directly here. Skype for me. Skype. Finish. Thank you. It's done. Welcome on your phone with your new home. Look at on your screen. Lock screen. Always on display will appear here. I recommend you to deactivate alert or display right now, because with always on display with ROM, there are a bug into, okay, a bug. Have you seen? Is the fact of the always on display. Now you need to reboot your phone, wait a few seconds, and after deactivate quickly always on display to access directly to your new home. Okay, you can reset your phone if you want to benefit to a powerful to benefit of the powerful of your home. Come here, go back, always display, click on display, go back, let's go to see always on display, okay, is here, do this, thank you, and do this again, okay, deactivate, click on home, lock screen, nothing is deactivate. Now do this again, welcome, now open the camera, welcome, okay, it's done, thank you, and okay, beautiful. Okay, have you seen? No problem now, no problem into because you have deactivate your always on display. To fix this problem, all of problem, if you meet many problem, you can reset your phone, as in reset, factory reset the phone directly here, and configure your phone again, deactivate always on display, and yes, it's done. Thank you for watching. Let's go now to the next video on GNANGSTUDIO 4D. Subscribe today for the next video. God bless you. Download this ROM under this video. It's free for you. Let's go. We continue. Connect to the internet. Okay, it's connected. Next. Thank you. Next again. Agree. Wait a few seconds. Almost finished. Okay, continue. Almost finished. Okay, no thank you. Here you can enter here your Samsung, your Google account. If it's done, click on accept. Next again. Just a second. Okay, don't restore. Click here. Okay. Thank you. Here you can enter here your Samsung account directly here. Your password. If you're done, sign in. Wait a few seconds now. Okay. See that this? Later for me. Finish. Welcome on your ROM. Okay. Okay. Go to deactivate. Go and deactivate always on display again. Always please display. Display. Okay. Do this. Deactivate. Okay. It's done. Beautiful. Well done. Now you can put into your beautiful S Pen. The base test. Welcome. It's done. Wow, beautiful, beautiful. As you see, you have a fixed MAGMA ROM, MAGMA NS Samsung Galaxy Note 8 ROM with problem of MAGMA easily. Thank you for watching. Subscribe today and let's go now to the next video. You can download this ROM under this video. Is free for you. Let's go to see please the wallpaper into again. Wow. Wallpaper item. View, delete, cancel, view all. Okay. Let me to go. Okay. Lock screen. Look at this. Come here. Okay. Okay. Set as wallpaper. Look at lock screen. Beautiful. Now you are ready to go. Thank you for watching and let's go now to the next video. Wow, it's so beautiful, powerful. Wow. Keep on. Next. Okay. Setting. Okay. HD. Frontal camera. Thank you for watching. Okay. Flash activate. Thank you. Let me to zoom. Beautiful. Okay, we go. Let's go. Thank you for watching. Subscribe today and finish now. Go.